Hello and welcome to Shopify Experts. Today we are going to customize Shopify Dawn OS 2.0 and let's see what's in it. Okay, first of all, before doing this, we will go to changelog.myshopify.com and we'll see that what's coming up next new for the next improvements in Shopify. There are improvement in Shopify fulfillment network on 21st of October. Okay, including, let me see what I'm, okay, here, Dawn 2.1.0 released on 14th of September 2021. So let's see what's in Dawn 2.1.0. Here we have updates on the blog post, hover animation, a page width wrapper to the rich text section, description default to true for a collection, improvement for accessibility, published date format on blog post to include the day, month and year. A lot of more bug fixes in this feature. So we will just go to our store and in the themes we will look for explore free themes in there. So in this video we are gonna customize Shopify 2.1.0. Here we will search Dawn 2.1. It's giving us a suggestion of this. We will see that how we can go to version 2.1. After going into this, we have different menus here. Here we can check. We click try theme. Okay, down to your online store theme is adding now. Okay, once it's added, it will be shown here adding down, and then after a few seconds we will have a look that here down will be updated. This will be 2.1.0 release version of Shopify Dawn 2.1.0 basically. If you are doing it after 24th of September, because this was released on 14th of September 2021. We will first publish this one to our store. Okay, we are going to see every section of this theme, so we will just go to customize. In the customization you can see that we have an announcement bar section here. It's saying no customizer settings available. Here it's our text, welcome to our store, like this. Color scheme, background 1, background 2, inverse background 3, SN1, background 4, and it's background 5. Okay, it was this. And then in the header section we have color scheme, background 1 is by default, so accent 1, accent 2, basically it's meeting with this one, but we will also check background 2, inverse. Here is the inverse setting. In the logo we will go for this logo, Okay, and for here we will go for this one, so it will be like this. We can also adjust column logo width, custom logo width, just like this. By increasing the logos width will be increased, so we will make it a little bit smaller. You can also place it on top left, middle left, on top center, like this. Okay, I think this one is looking better for this. Then we have show separator line. It's showing now, it's not showing now. We will show the separator line. And for sticky header, you can enable or disable this header. Like if it is disabled, it will be not showing here. If it's enabled, your header will be showing sticky. It will be stick to here, and if it's non-sticky, okay, we will check it later. Here it's enabled. Sticky, it will be stick to the top here. Let's check. It's stick. Okay, after this we'll go for image banner. Here the first image, this one will be the first image. Here you can see, you can also image banner height, select some height, small, medium, large. You can select small, some medium, and you can also make it large like this. Okay, we will go with small one. Adapt section height to the first image size. It will be like this. If we uncheck this, it will be like this. And desktop text position. What is desktop text position? That here it's in the bottom, in the center, in the top, but we will take it on the bottom. Okay, show text box on desktop. We will go without showing this, so it will be like this. If we will check this, then it will be background will be added. Basically we are not going with the background. Text overlay opacity, here it will be like this. We will make it 0%. So color scheme, background 1, SN1, SN2. Basically this is the color scheme of this banner, so we'll go with background 1. In mobile layout, we'll check it in mobile layout. It will be like this banners. Stack images on mobile, it will be like this. If we check stack images, show text below images or on the images, it will be like this. We will show the text below the images on mobile devices. Okay, after header we have rich text option, that is this one, background 1. In there we have these. Heading size can be large, can be small. This size of rich text heading can be small also, like this, but we will go with large one. Okay, after this there will be like share information, this paragraph option here. You can also bold or something like this to this paragraph. You can also link some text with hyperlink over here. This is a good feature. You can paste your links here and click on open in new tab, just like this one. You can put any pages link, about, you can put contact and click on insert. It will be like blue or something like underlined. After this we have a feature collection that is showing here. Okay, we'll change the feature collection now. We'll select home page. We'll create a collection here in order to understand how to deal with collections in Dawn OS 2.0. 2.1.0. Collection name is sale items, and it's manual. And for image of collection we will go with any image. I will go with this one, and you can also choose the template of collection. Here we have one template already available, so we'll go with save option here. Okay, in there we will again click on change collection. It's not showing here, but it will be showing after going into this and this and this. I hope sale will be showing soon. Let me remove this one and then again select collection. Here we have a collection called sale. We will add products, some ABC products, and some other products. Okay, we will go with only one product. Here it is. It will be showing like this: title, the image, and the price. Enable swipe on mobile, like how it will look like in mobile. Swipe in mobile. We are enabling swipe on mobile here. Again we will come back on another features like show second image on hover. If we select this, it will be this: show image border, show vendor, show product rating, show image on hover, adapt image, portrait, square. These are the options available. Okay, under this feature collection we have this option, collage. You can make right large block, you can make left large block, you can create mobile layout column, mobile layout. Let us check. Mobile layout can be collage. Okay, it will be like this. So after this we have another thing called video. Here you can also give a cover image to your video like this one, and then in the background you can paste some videos of your own choice, any video. Make full section width. You can also make like this, and you can also make it off section or disable full section, full width section. Then multicolor columns. In the multi columns, you see here we have some headings, some paragraphs, and some background there. We will use image width should be full width or 1/3 width of column, or you can go with full width of column. Adapt ratio, adapt to image, column alignment, secondary background. So these are the other options, and then we have other sections available like blog post, college, collection list, custom form, contact form. Let's check this one. Wow, before contact form option was not available to be showing on the home page in any other structure of Shopify themes. So it's available now. In the contact form you can select what options. Contact form, you can change the name. You can also go with other settings like in the contact form there is no other settings available other than showing this contact form like this, but you can change these things in the templates. We will talk further on this in Shopify, how to edit contact form in Shopify Dawn OS 2.0 2.1.0. So we have another section called email sign up, it will be like this. Before the contact, we have an email sign up sections available in which we can add different blocks like email, browse app builds for online store 2.0 themes. You can also use the apps in there like LabVIEW or something like that collect the emails from this section. And then we have feature collection. We already used this one, the page section. In the page section, let's see. Okay, here it will be a simple page with title. We have more sections here on the home page, rich text and video. We have already seen the video section before. Like you can give a custom image, cover image to your video here like this, and then in the video you can give a custom URL, click on save. Okay, here it was like options available on the home page in Dawn OS 2.0. Now we'll go and see what options are available on product page. Here it is a product page. Here you have a lot of sections and you can add as many as sections in here also. So this is a good feature of Dawn OS 2.0, that on the product page you can also add collection list, colleges, things like that, email sign up, feature collection, feature product, image, banner, etc. and etc. So in the collection page, in the collection template, you see you can add collection banners, product grades like this, and then in the section you can add all the sections available to be added on the home page can also be added over here on the collection page. So other pages just like these, we have others options. We have search. In the search you can add search results, show images, paddings, show second image on hover, show image border, show vendor, show product rating, enable filtering, enable sorting, collapse on large screen, block card, show date, show author. So these are the settings available for search page. And in the search page you can also add different things like that. Like here, if somebody is searching for some products, then you will also have some favorite products available here in the below section. So just like this. In the others we have password page, and on the password page you can also add all these sections available. Like if we click on page, and on the password page it will be showing here like this. You can also add edit this email form here. Opening soon, email form. In the email form you can go for some settings if you have email available, app available. Okay, password underscore footer, this can be also changed, this can also be changed like this. So these are the all things available in Shopify Dawn OS 2.0 and 2.1.0 release. Our store will be like this. We have many sections here: announcement bar, header, slideshow, rich text, feature collection, multiple query section, video section, and then we have this section, this contact form section, email subscription section, page section, video section, and then email subscription section, and then the footer. So these are the settings available in Dawn OS 2.0. So thanks for watching. We will come with another video in another tutorial to let you know how you can customize other themes like Dawn OS 2.0. Thank you so much. Bye bye.